Hi, I'm Sebastian, and I've been looking into ways I can improve the way I study, and being able to listen to PDFs is really great. It gets downloaded as an MP3, so it works on all of your devices. It also includes descriptions of any images that may be in the PDF. I guess in a way it's kind of like an audiobook. Here's how to download it.
Title: Television. Begin paragraph text.
You can also do other things while you're listening to it, like going on a walk or cooking, cleaning. I think it's a very cool feature. When you're reading and listening at the same time, it can be really helpful to be able to adjust the playback speed. Most media players will allow you to do this, like iTunes or Windows Media Player or VLC. If your eyes get tired usually when you read from a screen, it can be really useful to be able to listen to it. If you think this will be beneficial to your studies, why not give it a go?